What's going on, guys? Today we are heading to Shabuya Auto Vision to pick up the JZX from paint. There's no major reveal, well there is, but I haven't changed the color or anything. It had a dent in the back right quarter panel that always did my head in. It was the one flaw cosmetically that this car has in terms of like any damage or whatever. So that got repaired. If you don't know, the chasers have super flimsy like boot slash rear quarters, so if you put anything in, the most common is a jack, and the jack handle will slide and bang, dent. And honestly, that could be what this was. Don't really know, because it doesn't look like the car that would ever just have a loose jack in it. That's more drifty boy spec. But anywho, there was a dent. It was annoying. It poked outwards, so like something from the boot had hit it. Pause. And there was like an outwards dent. So because of that, it had cracked the paint and a bit of the paint had peeled off. Wasn't super noticeable unless I pointed it out, but for me it was super noticeable. So the boys sorted that out. They also painted up my ganadors, which are sick. They are not genuine ganadors, they are kabukis, which if you don't know, Ganador helped them make their mirrors. So they're, as far as I'm concerned, they're genuine ganadors. You're just not paying for the Ganador name, and they're brand new and even better quality, so it's like a no-brainer. So they got painted up, and I also had an Origin Labo roof wing, and that's been painted and fitted now. I could have fitted the Ganadors myself. That's what's real good about Shabuya. They, you know, gave me the choice to save some money. I could install this myself, do that, blah, blah, blah. But for the sake of the YouTube video and the grand reveal, I thought it'd be better to just have it all done. So everything was just like, ta-da, once we go pick it up. So that's the plan. We're about 15 minutes away now, and I am stoked. Now, this isn't YouTuber first time seeing it. I've been sent one photo, and Gemma can confirm it was this morning, and I refused to look at it. I showed Gemma, and she just said, oh, the mirrors really are small. But I purposely haven't looked. One, because I just want to see it in person, and two, I want to get that reaction so we can both see it at the exact same time, because that'll be cool. But yeah, so what else was done? Oh, again, Shabuya being absolute legends, they actually got their grinder or whatever and took the logo off the exhaust. Now, if you don't know, when I got my exhaust done, that was a whole drama. It was meant to be sponsored. The company ended up, in my opinion, completely ripping me off, but still whacked their logo on my exhaust tip, which doesn't even sit center in the bar, so it already looks shocking. Why you'd want to put your name on it, I don't know, but it just made me annoyed every time I saw the real ugly logo, and these legends took it off. So now, even better. So yeah, I'm quite happy about that. So that is done. What else? I got him to trim my inner guard liner as well, because I've been scrubbing real bad, and they had to touch up. Before I got the upper control arms in, my wheels were essentially sat on my guards once I lowered it, and I'd completely rubbed through the paint. So I got them to touch that up, and now it's obviously just that low that I'm scrubbing. I've actually melted through my inner guard liner, so I just got them to trim to see if it'll stop with some scrubbing, just because it sounds really annoying. So we'll see how that went, and that's everything. So it shouldn't be a huge transformation, but I'm definitely pretty stoked. Just a few little touches that should make it look a little bit more spicy. So should be mint. I'm pretty sure I even wired in the mirrors, so I should still retain my like electric controls. So yeah, I'm super stoked. Let's go pick it up. Like I said, about 15 minutes away. If you're noticing some damage on my nose, I got a bit smart with Gemma, and safe to say she flogged me. No, I dropped my phone. I was actually laying in bed, and I was trying to listen to Hannah Montana. Did I even tell you that? Yeah. And I had my phone sideways, and I was like cupping the edges to make like surround sound as I was laying down, and I dropped it and I went dunk straight on the edge of my nose, and it's done a number on me. So there you go. Let's go pick up this car. Alrighty, so we're about to pull up. It is that corner shop just there. So again, I still haven't seen it. I don't know if it's outside. Is it outside, Jem?
Yeah, it is.
Alright, it's outside. So as soon as we pull in, I should see it. You guys are actually going to see it first. Can they see it? Does it look good?
Yeah.
It looks good?
Yeah.
Alright. Still haven't seen it. Where is it? Is it parked sideways or just in the car park?
No, it's in the center at the front.
Alright. Oh, they look so cool. Yeah, the ganadors. Oh, that's good. I still haven't seen the back of it. I'll park this out of the way. What do you reckon?
Sounds good.
All right, I haven't seen it side on. I have not seen it side on. I'm guessing we got a good view from here, Jem?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, that's so good. Oh, look at that. That's perfect. That's like not an over aggressive roof wing. Oh, that is sick. All right, let's go look. All right. Oh, that's so sick. How cool is that? Roof wing. Oh, perfect fit as well. Oh, that's so good. Oh, that's what a perfect match. Like, you cannot tell that that's new paint and that's old. Isn't that mint?
Yeah, that's so good.
And then it got blended into the roof, I think. You literally cannot see a difference.
No.
That's crazy. Oh, God, they are so cool. Yeah, let me get this filtering. I've got ganadors. I'm a cool kid now. That's cool. Yeah, they're so pointless. Like. And then where was trimmed? Trimmed and tucked in, and now this has paint on it. Epic. So sick. If you're wondering, that's how little you can see out of a ganador. I mean, they're mirrors, so they still mirror, but oh, they look cool though. Oh, that's so sick. And it sort of matches my little clip-on blue mirror here as well. Alright, so there's still minor scrub. Night and day from before. Oh, that's way better. Yeah, that's heaps better. How cool is seeing your big car out of the mirror of your little low car? Hell yeah. Absolute Rigosaurus Rex. Alright, now the wind noise from these is definitely annoying, but they look cool, so what do you do? Alright guys, since you saw the last clip, I think it's been 2 or maybe 3 days. The weather was a bit average, but as you can see, it is looking proper Queensland weather today. So I took the Chaser out of the garage because it was dusty as, just from all like body panel workshop, you know, dust. So I wanted to wash it because I fly to work for 2 weeks tomorrow, and I wanted to know that it got put away in top form. So I literally didn't even bucket wash it. I snow foamed it and then went over it with Afterglow, which is like one of my favorite Bowden Zone products. And just look at the result. Could I have done a better job if I tried? I don't think so. This thing is absolutely glowing. So now I'm going to go out and get some photos of this thing with the ganadors on and the roof wing. God, I just can't get over how good it is colour matched. Obviously it's different angles, so it's going to reflect differently, but believe me, the colour is identical. So that is so sick. And the no dint. Oh man, I'm so stoked. The only downside, it's not really even a downside about this video, is it? I did notice that my passenger side guard, is that focusing? Maybe, maybe not. I'm not sure, but yeah, we've definitely cracked the paint. It was already cracked a little bit from when the guards were rolled, but yeah, there's a whole lot of exposed bare metal, so I may have to look at getting that touched up. And these ganadors just keep on dripping. But man, what a car. I'll go get the money shot. It looks a bit tall from down here because the angle slopes down, but oh my God. Let's see if I can filter out the sun. Nope, spinning the wrong thing. Look at that. That is just absolute perfection. Exactly what I imagined. Alrighty guys, we are now in a really cool photo spot that actually the last time I was here was when I took photos with my R35 for the very last time. Literally right there. I'll actually put a photo in my hand and we can rest in peace together. But I just wanted to show you guys just how sick this thing is. Like, I've had a Vision the entire time with this car, and to say that it is pretty much complete now, yeah, I'm feeling pretty happy with that. So the only thing that maybe I keep getting tempted with the whole wrap, because that's just what I do, but I sort of want to try and avoid it if I can. But I don't know, we'll see what happens. If I was to wrap it, I don't want to say the color because it might give it away, but yeah, I don't know, we'll see. But it's just, I just don't like that with this color it looks black, because it's not black. And now that the sun is hidden, you really can't see any green. But if I was to pull my phone out, or even that photo there, if it wants to focus, it shows green. I don't know if you'll see it, but it's actually a dark metallic green. But anyway, that's not the point of this video. The point is to show you guys the cool goodies. So I'm unsure if I've said it yet, but these aren't genuine ganadors. They are kabukis. I'll put their Instagram on the screen here somewhere. It's not promotional at all. I paid full price for it. But everyone that wants to go say, oh, they're reps, whatever. The painter that has painted many ganadors, many of the other brand reps, he said the same about all of them. Like, you know, they don't fit as good. Like that, he has to do a whole bunch of work to actually get a mint. He said these are the best condition ones and the best quality ones. He said obviously condition wise, they were brand new, so it makes sense, but best quality like ganadors he's had. So like all the base is metal. Everything is still how it should be. It all works. The electric, like these have the electric wires, so you can still use the factory mirror adjustment, and they are just mint. And for everyone that wants to say, well, they're still reps, blah blah blah, Ganador themselves actually developed these with kabuki, so they are as Ganador as you're going to get without having to pay the tax and get super old mirrors. So goated in my opinion, and you're not going to change my mind. They are better than Ganadors because they're just new and improved Ganadors. But anyway, they are all painted up, and then Origin Labo roof wing. Now, with the roof wing, I actually tried to put it on the car before it was painted or anything, and I was a little bit skeptical because I love a good roof wing. You Falcon boys will remember I had one on the G6E, and I reckon it looks sick. But I don't know, when they're too big they can look stupid, and when they're too small I feel like they're pointless. But I think this one, it's just subtle enough yet out there enough. It's just a perfect level for me. So color matched of course, and done perfect. Oh my god, look how clean this thing is. Anyway, color matched perfectly. It is put on with fancy 3M sticky stuff plus the actual double-sided tape. So unlike my Falcon one, which when I used to pressure wash it, the right hand side would flap up, that thing is solid as a rock. So I really like that it's low key. And again, if you could tell me where there was a dent along here based off this video, I would almost give you the car. Like, they have done that good of a job. And I think I did show it earlier, but there was two big scratches where something had obviously been dropped right, I don't know, here somewhere, and they actually were white. So I was convinced it was through to the actual bare metal, but gone with a quick polish. So I'm just so bloody stoked. This thing just, it's come out so good. So as I was saying, the wrap idea is tempting me a lot. That's sort of just my thing. I wrap cars, I love it. Obviously one of my real good mates, Kobe, owns a wrap shop, so it works out great. But if I wasn't to do a color change, I've really been toying with the idea of a drift livery, that, you know how they do just a livery on top, not a color change, and then flip it like Japanese style and it's backwards on the other side. And I'd love to do it chrome to sort of go with the wheels, and obviously all the chrome trim. But that just scares me because, well, I mean, it's already borderline, you know, cop bait. And I feel like big chrome livery down the side of it, drift style, would just make it, I don't want to do it too much. And I don't want it to, you know, shoot myself in the foot. But what do you guys reckon? Do you reckon that'd be like a tacky move? Or could it sort of be done cool? I'd like to make it like Oz Automotive themed. So like an Oz Automotive livery, because advertisement, you know. But I really don't know. I just know that cosmetic wise, I'm stoked on it. I need that fixed because that just does my head in. I know I've talked about it a lot, but seriously, like that is just embarrassing. Yeah, honestly, it's embarrassing. And when I hit things, because it's so close to the bumper, it touches my bumper and melts through it. So it just really, really annoys me. But look at this shit. But anywho, that's enough talking. I'm going to run a little montage now of just the car because it looks sick. And I think that'll be it for this video. I think this one's going to be a short one, so I might do 2 uploads this week because it was a short one. I might not. I might do a little Instagram video of, I filmed a little one washing this, but I do want to try and get back into weekly because I'm sick of working away, and if I can try and make something happen with Oz Automotive, I'd love to, whether it's just content or bringing out the merch again. I don't know, we'll see, but everyone that's stuck around for the years, I appreciate it. But if that's the end of this video, I'll see you guys later. Have a good one. Peace. Enjoy the montage.